If you Googled yourself or your company, what would you find? Maybe the search results would be less than flattering, or even worse, you can't find anything. Don't panic. There are ways to make sure your audience sees the better side of you and your brand. Take back control of your online reputation with the experts at NetReputation.com. The NetReputation team uses a systematic 5-step approach to protect and promote your reputation online. The process starts with research, a close look at the good, the bad, and what web properties you control. Next comes development of your own websites, business directory listings, social media profiles, as well as creating custom blogs and high-quality press release articles. The other 3 steps are a continuous process of planning and implementation. That means content, publishing, and promotion of your online properties. This proven solution has helped thousands of individuals restore their online reputation. Improving your online reputation and putting your brand in front of the right audience isn't easy. It takes time, perseverance, and experience to find what works and leave what doesn't. Let the experts in reputation management do the legwork for you to make your search results stand out for the right reasons. Reach out today and learn more at NetReputation.com.